Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily fix the calibration needs in your Samsung A3 2017 and the sudden battery drain. So, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily calibrate your battery in the Samsung phone and how to fix the issue of the fast battery drain. So the fast battery drain, like sudden battery drain actually, and sudden that your phone suddenly turns off, means that your battery is aged. This phone is from 2017, so don't be concerned. It's a normal thing that occurs with the older phones. So at first you have to charge your phone up to 100%, so you have here 100, and after that use your phone normally, but don't play games, just don't do some heavy things. Let it discharge to 0% and turn off, and do it 2 times. Charge the phone to 100% and let it discharge, etc. And this process is calibration of the battery, and maybe the phone will then estimate the battery time normally. It's a normal thing that we have to recalibrate the battery, especially with the older phones like the Samsung from 2017. So yeah. The second tip from me is to reset the battery statistics, which is only optional. You don't have to do it actually within the calibration. You can go to the recovery mode and select the wipe cache partition setting, but I don't really think that it's needed, so I won't show you this process, but you can do it. And if you want to know how to enter the recovery mode on this phone, you can check our channel because we have a video for that. The third option I can show you is that you can check the battery aging level in the application, which is the third-party application. For example, I recommend the AccuBattery application, and let me show you this application in the Play Store and how to download this application. We have to type Accu. Oh god, this is a small keyboard. AccuBattery here. This is this application. We have to tap that and tap install button here. Now it may take a while, don't worry, it depends on your internet connection mainly, and this phone is somehow old, so it will take longer. Don't worry about that, it's normal. And here in this application we can easily check, of course after some time, for example after 1 cycle, 2 cycles, we can easily check if our phone, our battery in our phone is well. Here, as you can see, we have our phone and our battery, and as you can see here we do have battery estimations. You can wait a moment, wait 1 cycle. You have to discharge your phone and then charge it once again. Here we can tap health, and as you can see here we don't have anything because we don't have full charge detected. And the third tip from me to you is that you can avoid discharging your phone, like mainly not doing the cycles, not calibrating the battery. Apart from that, don't discharge your phone to 0%. Keep your battery percentage between 20% and 80%, and it will be good for you. Of course, in the newer phones, like for example the latest Samsung, latest iPhones, you don't have to do this actually, because these batteries are somehow new and they are the latest generations, so you don't have to care about that actually. But in the older phones, like the Samsung phone, you have to care about the battery. And of course, if that didn't help you, you have to just change the battery, because the battery may be the thing that is just damaged. And that's it. Hope it helped you. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. If you have any drawbacks, you can comment them in the comments. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.